Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Previous class you learned for unit 2 numbers. Exercise number 2.1 division. This division is due for simplify the following in your book exercise given to you. 1 to 5 sums is completed for last class. Today start for 6th sum. Division is due for use the table. So first learn the table thoroughly, then you do the sums. Shall I start now? Previous class you completed for up to 5th sum. Now 6th one. Number is given to you 703. Do for 2 table. Take the number, write inside the column. Then write the 2 table up to 9 times. This one help to do for how many times is coming for this number. So 7 first number. So do for 2 table. 7 is coming this 2 table. Check whether this product line only you check. 7 is here. No. But 7 before number is 6 is here. 8 is here. So division you do for only before number. Don't do for after number. So here you check this number for 6. How many times is coming for 6 in 2 table? 3 times. So note it here first 3 tables 3 times 2 3s are. So how many times you write in top? 2 3s are 6. Then division you do for subtract 7 minus 6 1. Then next number 0. Then 10 is coming here. Yes. So how many times? 5 times. How many times? 5 times. So write in top for 5. 5 2s are 10. Then do for 10 subtract 10. 0. State the number ones and tens. Then only you get the answer is subtraction correctly. Then last number take it out down 3. 3 is coming for 2 table. No, 2 or 4 is coming here. So you do for 2 before number, 3 before number, 2 only you take. Then write for 1 time 2. 2 ones are 2. So 3 subtract 2 1. So you write the answer now. Quotient for this tables how many times is coming. So 3 5 1. 351 is a quotient. 1 is a remainder. Next sum, word problem. 7th sum. Rahul has 192 toys car. He put them equally in 6 boxes. How many toys car will he put in each boxes? How many toys car are left over? So here given the number of toys for 192 car. So this car is equally divided for how many boxes? 6 boxes. Here given for 6 table, 6 boxes, 192 total toys. So write inside the number 192. So equally divided for 6 boxes. So do for 6 table. So asking the question how many toys is left over. So remainder and quotient also you find out now. So this is the word problem. First read the question thoroughly, then you find out the numbers. Which one is a table, which one is a dividend. Okay. So one is a smaller number, don't do now. Compared to 6, 1 is smaller. Then take for both number 1 and 9, 19. 19 is coming for 6 table. 12, 18, 24. So 19 before number 18 is coming here. That number only you put here. So how many times you check? 18 is coming for 3 times. So write the number 3 times 18. 19 subtract 18. So 9 subtract 8, 1. 1 subtract 1, 0. Then take the number, next number 2. Now you get now 12. So 12 is coming for 6 table. Yes. How many times? 2 times. So write the number quotient 2 times 12. So write the number ones place and tens place. Then only easy to do now. So 12 subtract 12. Same number you do the subtraction 0. So write the answer now. So ask the question, how many toys car will he put in each boxes? So find out this quotient is 32. So he put in each boxes 32 cars. He put in each box 32 cars. Remainder is 0. Agalya has 495 photographs to put in an album. She can put 9 photographs on each page. How many pages can she fill? Here given for total number of photos. So that is the dividend. 495. But each page is having for 9 photos. So this is the divisor. 9 is the divisor. 9 table you write down. Then next you do for, you know the 9 table, write first in the rough column up to 9 times. Then start the sum. How to do? First number check for 4 compared to 9. 9 is a bigger number, 4 is smaller, so not possible. Take for both the number 49. 2 numbers take here 49. So 49 is coming for 9 table. Only you check for product 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. So in between the number 49. So you write for before number 45. 49 is a bigger number, but you do for 45 is the smaller number. Not do for 54. Okay. After number don't do. Here do for before number only. So how many times you check? Now 5 times. So write the 5 times 45. 9 5s are 45. Then 9 subtract 5, 4. 4 subtract 4, 0. Then take now next number. Here 4 is smaller number. So you take for next number 5. 45. So already you know 45 is how many times coming? 5 times. 45. So 0. Here 0. Both the number is same, 0. So now you find out the answer is quotient. So in this question asking for how many pages she can fill. How many pages can she fill? So here find out the answer. How many pages you find out now? 55 pages. So she fill 55 pages. So this is the answer. So you understand now about problem. Shall I move now exercise number 2.2. Before that you do for only 3-digit number is given here, 495. So 3-digit number. This one exercise 2.2 is given to you for 4-digit number. So same method you do for division. So 5632 divided by 6 table. So already you know the way how to write the numbers. So dividend and divisor you find out now and write inside the line. Then write the tables, 6 table up to 9 times. So 5 is a smaller number compared to 6. 6 is a divisor. So 5632 is a dividend. So 5 smaller. So take for both number 56. So 56 is coming for 6 table. Check whether 6. This is for product or 6 multiplies. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. So 54 is in between coming for 54 and 60. So you write for before. So 54. So 54 how many times is coming for 6 table? 9 times. So write the number 9. 9 6 are 54. So do now subtraction. 6 subtract 4, 2, 5 subtract 5, 0. So 2 is smaller number. So take for next number 3, 23. So 23 is coming for 6 table. No, 23 after number 24 only here. So you do for before number 18. How many times is 18 is coming for 6 table? 3 times. So only you write for before number means use the table. Otherwise you know the number is 23. Before number 22 is not possible. Only coming for the 6 table numbers only you before you write. But number is 23. But here coming for 18. So 3 times. 3 times 6 3s are 18. 3 subtract 8 is not possible. So carry over borrowing here. 2 is 1. 3 is 13. 13 subtract 8. 13 subtract 8 you get the number 13 before number, count it and find out the answer is 5. Then next number 2. 52. 52 is coming for 6 table. No. 54 only coming. So before the tables come the number for 48. 48 is coming for 8 times. So write the number 8 times 48. 6 8s are 48. Then next 2 subtract 8 is not possible. So borrowing here 10 plus 2 12. 5 before number 4. So 12 subtract 8 4. So 4 is a smaller number compared to 6. So till stop now. So quotient 938, remainder 4. Then second sum 7460 divide by 7 table. So take out and write the numbers. 7 is coming for 7 table. This 2 number is same. So 7 is how many times? 1 time. 7 ones are 7. So 7 subtract 7, 0. Then next number is 4. So 4 is compared to 7. 7 is a bigger number, 4 is smaller number. So not possible to do. So you write this number is 0 added for quotient. Then take out the next number 6. So this number is a smaller number, not possible. That time you added for quotient 0. Then take the number, next one number, so 6. Now 46. 46 is coming for this table. In between for 42 and 49 is coming. So 42 only you take for before number. How many times? 6 times. So 6 times 6 sevens are 42. Now 6 subtract 2, 4. 4 subtract 4, 0. Then take the next one number, 0. 40. 40 is coming this table? No. So 42 and 35 is coming. So 35 only write to possible this division. So 5 times. How many times? 5 times 35. 7 5s are 35. Then do subtract for 40. 0 subtract 5 is not possible. So borrowing here. So 10 plus 0 is 10. 4 before number 3. So 10 subtract 5, 5. 3 subtract 3, 0. So this is the answer. So here find out the answer is 1065 is the quotient. 5 is the remainder. 5 is a smaller number compared to 7. So till stop here. Then find out the answer. Okay, quotient for 1065, remainder is 5. Okay, the next one, third sum. Try to do, children. Third sum, 4964 divided by 8 table. Those who know the table first write in rough column. Then work out you. Okay, children. Thank you.